Hi everyone out there, welcome to my channel Side Dental Vlogs. I am Dr. Abhishek Ranjanpati, working as a reader in Oral Medicine and Radiology in Institute of Dental Sciences, Bhubaneswar. In this channel, I will be talking about all the dental related problems, product reviews and equipments that are used in dentistry. So in my first vlog, today I will be showing you my dental clinic and we'll have a walkthrough around this clinic. This is a small area of around 200 square foot. So I have two dental chairs. One is here and one more is placed here in a L pattern. And this is my working area where I do all the lab associated works. And this is the basin which is incorporated into the slab area only. And this is the cupboard where I keep my compressor. So if you keep your compressor in an enclosed cabin, it will not produce much sound. And this side is the compressor and all washing things are kept here. And in this side I have kept all my equipments, and I have kept one drawer over here in which all my instruments are there. As you can see, it's a sliding door and it can save a lot of space. So here this is my all instruments, trays. So this is the second drawer in which you can, so this will save a lot of space for you. So just one can go and access and work over here. This is the X-ray machine and it is attached to the wall. So you can see here this granite is there, it's looking very nice. And this is the X-ray developing unit. This is just for design. You can keep something over here. This is the mirror, and this place you can keep your certificates. So you can make your clinic beautiful by placing some antiques over in a rack like this. And there I do my puja, and this is the sterilizer which is kept here. So we'll see the this is the cabin where this is my working area, total working area. Along with the ceiling is also there where I put the lights, ceiling lights. So you can place this mirror, it looks very nice, and this sliding door is there. And outside is the waiting room. So this is the waiting room. Approximately 4 to 5 people can easily sit in this place, and another antique area is there where I can keep my antiques. And this is the TV where it is the patients can wait and watch TV over here. So this is the overall look of my clinic, and this is a very enclosed space. And you see this everything, this is made up of plywood, and there is no artificial ceiling here. So this plywood also has lights which will give you a very good ambience. So if I show you my clinic from here, it looks like this. So this is a very small space which you can manage very nicely.